Did you know that ClickFunnels recently added a new feature inside of the editor that will make it faster and easier than ever to install your Facebook pixel? You can track leads, purchases, webinar registrations, add to cart, and even conversions. Now, my name is Mark, and I'm the guy behind the Mental Marketer and the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. In this video, I'm going to show you that new feature and how to integrate Facebook's new conversion API directly with your ClickFunnels account. Now, it's super important because sometimes the data you get from Facebook can be different than the data shown inside your ClickFunnels dashboard. Now, by directly integrating the two, your data will be so much more reliable, and you'll know exactly what people are doing when they come to your website. To show you, we'll go inside of my laptop and get started. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Here we are inside of my laptop. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into Facebook. You want to make sure that you're logged into the Business Manager. And you also want to make sure that you are logged into your ClickFunnels account. Now, being logged into Facebook will make the integration go quickly and smoothly. Now, once you've logged into both, we'll start off right here inside of ClickFunnels. And the first step of the process is to go up here to our account settings, and we're going to click this here. That takes us to the account details. We'll look down over here and we're going to add an integration. So we'll click right here. So what we'll be doing is adding a new integration. So let's click this yellow button right here. This will show us all the integrations that are available to add. But of course, we're looking to add the Facebook API conversion, and it's right here. Click that. All right. So the first thing we want to do is we want to give the integration a name. Now, because I have a few pixels installed for different Facebook accounts, I want to name mine something that will help me to keep it organized. So I'll name this the Mental Marketer FB Pixel. Now, Facebook ad account, I've already copied that, so I'm just going to paste it right here. And so you may want to keep that handy. It's optional. It's not required. But I did store my ad account on my clipboard, so I'll just add it. And for you can find it if you like to add it here. And then you'll click to connect the integration. Success. Facebook was successfully created. Now, because we were logged into Facebook, it only took a few seconds for it to complete. If you weren't logged in, it could have taken longer. Now, we can check on our integrations by going here, clicking that. This allows us to check our integrations, and here we can see that the Facebook pixel has been added. And we're done with step one. The next step is we have to select the domain that we want to track the traffic from. So we'll be able to track any traffic that goes to any pages in that domain. Now, just remember, Facebook will track any traffic that comes to the site as a result of running ads to it, but it will also track any traffic that lands on the pages, even if the traffic did not land on the page as a result of running ads from Facebook. So we'll go over here and we'll scroll down to where it says domains, and we'll click on that. I'm here inside of the domains, and the first thing we'll want to do is to find the domain we want to connect that pixel to. Now, I'll find the Mental Marketer because that's the domain that I want to install the pixel on. I can either click here or hit these three dots on the right side. We'll hit the three dots and we'll hit edit. That will pull up the options for this domain, and what we're looking for right here where it says the Facebook conversion pixel, we'll hit that to expand it. Now it says no conversion pixel set for this domain. So we hit add. Okay, and then we're going to select an integration, and that of course is the Mental Marketer Facebook Pixel. Now this option is here is because we've added that integration in step 1, and so now the option to select it is right here. So then what it actually does is it pulls the pixels that you have from Facebook and it will show them as an option right here. As we can see, the Mental Marketer pages, we will select that. Now, then in this space, it's going to ask us for a token. Now, for us to get that token, we need to head back over to Facebook into the Business Manager. Here we are inside of the Business Manager, and the first place we want to look over here to the left where it says the Events Manager, and we will click that. That takes us to where we can view our data sources. Now, if you have more than one data source, just make sure that you're looking at your correct data sources, and especially if you have more than one Facebook Pixel account. Now, this is the correct data source that I'll be adjusting. So we'll go right here to the settings. Now, once you're at the settings, you'll want to scroll down the settings, and what we're looking for is the Conversion API. And let's see here, we're going down Conversion APIs. Okay, and this is what we're looking for. And here it says set up manually, but what we're looking for is generate the access token. We'll click that. It takes a couple seconds to generate it. Then we'll want to copy the code to our clipboard. Now we go back to ClickFunnels. We'll paste that token right here into the space where it asks for that token. We'll hit save. It's validating, and then we get our message, success. Your token appears valid for this pixel. We can then close this out. Okay, great. So now any funnels that we make with this domain, thementalmarketer.com, we'll be able to set up tracking with Facebook. So now we'll head over to a funnel and get it set up. Let's go into this funnel right here. Now, the first thing you'll do is go over here to the settings to make sure that you have the right domain connected in the overall funnel settings. Now we can see that we have the domain, thementalmarketer.com, connected to this funnel. And just to make sure, you want to make sure that's selected. Okay, now let's go back to the first page of the funnel. Now let's just think this through. When they land on this page right here, the pixel will fire. It fires as soon as they land on this page. So when they land on this page, they may or may not become a lead or make a purchase. But at the moment they land on this page, they're just a visitor. So by default, anytime someone lands on this page, it will be a page view. So when you get inside of the page, you'll go to the settings and you'll look for this Facebook pixel right here. Now because we've connected, it will show that it is connected. This is the message you'll get when you don't have your Facebook pixel connected to the correct domain. Since we've connected the domain in the previous step, then we're able to hit this drop-down menu and select an event. Now for this page, because when they land on it, they haven't taken any action yet, we'll just put viewed contact. And we'll hit save. And that's it. Now this page will be tracked, and anytime someone lands on this page, it will send a message back to Facebook saying that they have viewed content. Let's go to the next page. Here we are. Now on the previous page, when they land on that page, we don't know if they've taken any action. But when they land on this page, we know that they've opted in and given us an email. So we know as soon as they've landed on this page, we know that they've given us an email address, so they can be considered a lead. So on this page, we can get more specific data about the action they've taken. So let's go right here to settings, pull down that Facebook pixel, look at the events drop-down menu. Now, we can look at all the other options that are available. Complete registration, lead, initiate checkout, contact, submit application, add to cart. Now for this page, we're going to count them as a lead because we know that we've actually gotten their email address, so we'll consider it a lead. And we'll hit that drop-down menu, come back here, hit save. Now, anytime someone lands on this page, it will send a message to Facebook saying that this person is now a lead. Now, and that's how simple and easy it is. Now, when you integrate the two, you'll know that ClickFunnels is sending the information to Facebook, so you'll get reliable data to make decisions with, and there's no need for guessing. And that's it for this demo video, but before I leave, do you want to learn Facebook ads without paying thousands of dollars for an expensive course? Well, we've put the perfect PDF together that will help you. It's a collection of free resources that we've scoured the internet for to get you started running Facebook ads like a pro. And this collection is Growing Your Business Using Facebook, The Complete Guide to Facebook Advertising, Learn Facebook Video Ads from the Experts, How to Create Facebook Video Ads, and these are with templates, 165 of the best Facebook ad examples, and how to see competitors targeting on Facebook, and how to create Facebook custom audiences from people that click on your links. Plus, there's some bonus material with 10 more Facebook ad examples that convert, a free 4-week social media marketing course, and free Facebook video covers, plus more. Just find the link somewhere around this video to get access. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks so much and have a great day.